and China. It's the best coiffure in Reims. I really like it.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thanks for watching. Thanks. Okay. Let's go.
Let's
back to
go,
work.
my friend.
Yeah, bro. Let's go to work. Yeah. I'm gonna start with this. Step 2. I'm gonna bring all this here up to keep it in place. In its place.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start. Just make it right. See how it is? All over there. That's how we do it. Okay.
50 people, one group that was 45 people, they worked.
Okay.
Um,
Right now, I'm gonna be using this one. Come over there. All the way here. Check out how we do this. Pay attention. Open. Open. Give it a 1 inch here to here. 1 inch. Just 1 inch. Then the 1 inch go round with it. All round. That's how we do it. Okay, pause. Once again, we're gonna go with this. Step 1.
Kushimaz. Yes,
Up this way.
yeah. Magic.
Same this, but close. Close. Always put your head down. You have to get it here, the real position, okay? Take off these little things, so then it's the next level. This is how we do it always at the shine. You never give up what we do. So you too can do better than this, man. If you wanna do it. Right now, we're going to go to the next level about this 0 step. Check it out. Yeah, let's go. I know my client wants to don't see that? You know, that's how it is, no? So he loved the game, so that's how we do it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Whatever you love, don't hesitate to show concern about what you like, you know what I'm saying? What's that, man? Anything you can do to make you happy, do it. You know how it is? That's how it is.
Exactly.
Exactly, bro. Right now, we're gonna go back to this. Cutting off this place to this place, or taking out the lines from here. Let's see how it's gonna work. Check it out. So when you're trying to take off the line, don't stay too long over there trying to make move. Leave it, let go. Always make a move. We're gonna go and bring it down. Okay.
Yeah.
Once. Something using this. Can see the haircut is coming out right now. Yep. We're done with the haircut. You can see up to it. Yeah, nigga. Yeah. We always there, man. Check it out. What's in here? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh damn, man. Check out, man.
Let's
What
do
we
it.
do here, man? Come on, let's do it, man. We're done with the haircut. Please subscribe, comment, tell us what you think about us. This job we're doing. You see how it is? See the haircut? See it? Yeah, my nigga here is looking kicky. He's looking real pro. Check out the haircut. One love to you all.